How to fix Instagram not loading photos. If you are having problem with loading, then make sure to check your network connection. Go to your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong connection. If your network is lagging, then forget your network and re-add the same network or a different one. Navigate to your Instagram app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon and scroll down. Click on Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom left corner. This way your cache will be cleared and your app won't lag. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there are any updates available, then make sure to update your app. If there are no updates available, then go back to your home page again. From your home page, tap on the settings. In your settings, go to the search bar on the top. Search for VPN. After searching for VPN, click on the first VPN option. Make sure that no VPNs are connected. Also, check the same for DNS. Make sure that your DNS is set to default. After following all these steps, make sure to give your device a quick restart. After the restart is completed, open your Instagram and try again. This time your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.